I was thumbing to Montgomery. I had my guitar on my back, and a stranger pulled up inside me. He pulled up inside me? That sounds weird. He pulled up inside me. A stranger pulled up beside me in an antique Cadillac. He was dressed like 1950, half drunk and hollow-eyed. He said, "It's a long walk to Nashville. Would you like a ride, son?" I mean, it's a long walk. Wouldn't you want to ride? I mean, it's a very polite Southern sort of like indirect. Would you like a ride? You want a ride? I mean, these days you'd be like, I don't know. No, it's the middle of the night. You're kind of creeping me out. I hopped up in the front seat for some reason, and he turned on the radio. And those sad old songs coming out of those speakers was solid country gold. And I noticed the stranger had pale white skin when he asked me for a lay. And I knew there was something strange about this ride. And he said, "Drifter, can you make folks cry when you play and sing? Can you strum a tune? Can you moan the blues? Can you make that guitar sing? Drifter, can you make folks feel what you feel inside? 'Cause if you're big star bound, let me tell you, it's a long, hard ride. If you're big star bound, let me tell you, it's a long, hard ride." You ever do that? You're driving in the car, you're just singing the songs, you're like, "You got different voices for everything." So you just do songs and you're like, "Oh, it's a long, hard ride. Like if you shake your head, it makes a different sound. If you're big star bound, let me tell you, it's a long, hard ride. Nope, just me? Okay, well, I can accept that.